Hello and Namaste. Welcome to Thoughts and More, a space where we learn about life and lifestyle and we all grow together. As promised, we are back again, though after a brief gap, but we are back again to teach you guys how to make these happy glasses. So we will start with there are two different ways to make these happy glasses and we will tell you both of these ways. So Prisha, do you want to start with what all materials we need for these happy glasses?
Yes. So you're going to need a cardboard roll or a toilet paper roll. A pen or a pencil. A ruler. Glue. We were using super glue because it sticks better. Some scissors. And also a measuring tape. And for your glasses, you can use washi tape or paint.
Perfect. Thank you, Prisha. So we will start with the first type of how you make these happy glasses. So for that, this is a simple one where what you have to do is take a toilet roll or a cardboard roll, press it and put 4 lines on the cardboard. So you put 4 lines on the cardboard. And after putting the 4 lines, what you do is take off that first part and the last part of the roll. So here I am taking out the first part and here I am taking off the last part. So these will act as the sidebars for your glasses. Now you see how you have 2 more glasses left, 2 more lines here. So I'm gonna cut it, but I will leave it up until towards the edge. I will leave it intact. So you cut it this way and then cut the other line too. And then you round it up, right? You round it up, you see this middle portion, the middle portion you will cut it off. So here let me cut it off from here. So this is how your glasses are. Then you turn it this way, you see how your glasses, this is ready and now this is the middle portion of your glass which you will wrap around. So basically based on the weight you just wrap it this way. See, so this is your 2 glasses base and what you do is the 2 edges that you cut off, you will just cut in between, take them off, cut it this way and then that's the strip that you can use on the edges of the glasses. So you can stick it this way and that's how you can make it. The other way is you can put a punch hole here and put a thin elastic around it and that will also do. After that, make it as your imagination, color it, use the washi tape or the paint and be some more creative. Another easy way is, this is, I feel it is little easier for the young kids to work with the young kids and do it. The another way is, which is easy too, is basically you take these rolls, right, cut them into the thickness of the eyeglass frame that you want, right. So cut it this way, this is more easy for the a little bigger faces. So this is your 2 eye frames and then in between what you do is you take out more of these kind of take out one more cut in the teeny way and then cut this cardboard and to this eye roll thing like the eye frame you just add it and stick it. So you will stick this piece in a way how we have done it here, right? So you just attach it to the width of your nose and that's about it. Just take a ballpark measurement, you don't have to exactly measure. And to make add some fun element to it, You can, like how we did it, like a pineapple one, just trace it off from the cardboard, paint it and stick it. You can make bunny ears, or you can make these, or you can make the antelope deers or so. But this is how you make these eyeglasses, and then you can use either the greeting cards or the cardboards and make the edges for the glasses too, or the same way you can cut it off from here and make it. So hopefully you can enjoy and do this art activity at the home and have your happy glasses, and just be happy always. One thing I want to tell you, a friend of mine had asked me, she has a teenager daughter, and after watching our previous video, I'll put the link of it in this description box here, but they had a question like, how can one be always happy, right? Is it even possible to be always happy? And I understand it's not always possible to be happy. When we say being happy means, it also means to express your emotions too. You can be happy as you grow up, right? As you become teenagers, there is so much of the influence from the outside world around you. You can become, you can be upset on something. It can be sad, it can be depressing at times, it can be annoying at the times. But the thing is, or like for us, we had a brief break because of some tragic event back in the family. So sometimes you do get sad, but the bottom line is you have to learn every experience that you go through, or every kind of incident that happens. It teaches you a lesson. As long as you are open to understand that lesson, and more importantly, accept that fact and keep on moving, right? That's what is about being happy. So I hope you guys can enjoy making these. And there is a line I would like to say, it's from a Indian movie, which says, it is so simple to be happy, but it is so difficult to be simple. So hopefully you guys can enjoy making these classes and keep a positive attitude and perspective towards life, and be always happy.
So make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Hit the bell for more post notifications, and comment down below what other videos you'd like to see.
Until we meet again, may peace be with us all. Om Shanti.